Hi, my name is Ashley Mitchell. I'm a New York City personal trainer with Lift Your Way to Fit here at Lift Gym, here to give you some pull-up exercises for your deltoids. So first of all, you want to make sure that you have access to some sort of pull-up machine. So the good old-fashioned way would be to start off with a wide grip. So your hands are a little bit more than shoulder width apart. You have an overhand grip, and you want to make sure you have a full extension down before taking it up, really getting that nice squeeze. And you want to go directly up, so it's not a strange sort of movement which so many people try to compensate and work around it. So you want to really think about parallel with the ground to go up, getting that nice squeeze before fully extending down, slowly, count of 4 or 5, before quickly up for kind of 1 or 2, holding it for about a count, before slowly releasing. So if you're feeling good about that, which those are very tough, do as many as what feels good for your body, you can go into the closed stance grip, which is about shoulder width apart. Same idea, same form, really getting that nice squeeze, holding that isometric contraction for about 1 count before slowly releasing. So if you're feeling really good about that and you don't want to just work the upper body, you can work out your abs as well with the gorilla chin up. This is a modification of it. Funny name, and you'll have fun with it. Your feet are touching your glutes, so your heels, and you want to have your knees directly in line with the ground before taking it up. And you have an underhand grip for this, your shoulder width apart. And once you're up, you're going to go ahead and take your feet to your chest. So your knees are going towards your chest to get a nice crunch going up before releasing. So go ahead and do as many reps as you can, spice it up. Not too many people do that last exercise, so it's great to vary it up. So those are just a few pull-up exercises for your deltoids. I'm Ashley Mitchell with Lift Your Way to Fit here at Lift Gym. I'll see you next time.
Build a strong back and improve your posture with Gaiam's backless classic balance ball chair. Relieve pain and breathe better while building a stronger back and core, all while sitting. Sitting in this backless balance ball chair causes small micro movements that will stimulate blood flow, keeping your core and back constantly engaged. The chair's ergonomic yet stylish design has no backrest, which will inspire better posture and further engage your core and back muscles. The removable 52-centimeter balance ball can also be used as a traditional exercise ball. Suitable for heights from 5 foot to 5'11", the chair includes a pump and a workout guide. Sit tall and strong with Gaiam's backless balance ball chair.
Don't be fooled by lower quality knockoffs. The real Club Step is made in the USA and is the safest, highest quality, best engineered aerobic step available. It's what you don't see that matters. Our step is engineered to flex slightly as you work out. Baffles seen on the underneath side of the step are designed to be low impact, easy on your joints. Our premium cushioned mat contains no latex and is our latest innovation. The surface of our premium mat is made for today's step routines. Our unique mat surface is friendly to your back or hands if using the step for a bench or other exercises. The textured surface provides a safe, no-slip stepping area. Our cushioned mat provides a second layer of low impact, joint protection. We pay attention to every detail, even making each non-skid rubber foot to a special formula. We call it the Goldilocks formula. If the foot is too hard, the step could accidentally slip. If the foot is too soft, it will wear out prematurely or leave marks on floors. Our foot is just right. Not too hard, not too soft. We hope you will consider carefully the positive differences our step brings to you and become part of our family that enjoys our US-made aerobic steps found throughout the world.